Hi everyone and welcome to our first module titled Icebreaker Activities. Most of our modules are going to take a very similar format, so I'm going to take a few minutes in this module to kind of show you that format. So here, there's always going to be a video where I'll introduce the module to you. So it's usually under 5 minutes, and will give you very important information, so please take the time to watch it. Our what's due when will always tell you the learning outcomes from the module. There'll be a list of the assignments and activities in this module, and then there's always a link to the full course schedule. In this module, we have a computer backup plan assignment. So you can just click on this, you can read this information here, and when you're finished, you click on Write Submission and you just respond to me. And that assignment is graded, so make sure that you complete it. And then in each module, we'll have a discussion. So I'm going to open this folder, and there is some introductory discussion information in the first module that you won't have in all the other ones, but 2 cardinal rules for discussion and etiquette and how to participate in a discussion. There's a link here to the discussion rubric, so you can see that here. It's also listed in my grades. But the post itself is worth 9 points, and so make sure that you read through what the rubric says, and you need to respond to 2 additional students, and those are each worth 3 points, so you can take a look at that. You can read through here. It tells you exactly what you need to do, so read through carefully, make sure you understand what you want to do, and then you just click on this link and choose Create Thread to take part in the discussion. So every module has a lecture. The Word, Excel, and Access modules have 2 lecture folders. So I'm just going to show you this. We're going to open this up to view the lecture material, which is videos. Please note, videos are not guaranteed to run in the Blackboard app. So make sure you use your computer and actually go into Blackboard. There is a Blackboard app. Honestly, it's terrible, so don't use that to view the videos, but watching the videos is worth 10% of your grade. So make sure you watch all of them, because you don't receive partial credit. And there are ways to check to see that you watched all of them by clicking on the My Grades link on the left side of the page. If you see a grade of 100, you have watched all of them. So I'm just going to show you in here. This is an atomic learning video, and I'm going to click on it. And you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos in here, and you just click on them and watch them. You have to watch each one to completion. Once you do, you'll get a green check mark saying you've watched it. And I know that some of this might be review information for you, but you are required to watch all the videos. It's 10% of your grade. And I know quite a bit about applications. When I was designing the course and putting these videos in here, there was a lot of information that I learned myself. So I think you will be able to learn something from them. So just work your way through sequentially watching each of them. When you're done, you should have green check marks on all of them. And also go to My Grades, and you'll see that was titled Computer Literacy Basics. If you watched all of them, you'll see a grade over here of 100. If you haven't watched all of them, you're not going to see that grade. So you need to go back in and you need to watch them. And you might have missed one, or whatever the case might be. In addition, the discussion and the lecture videos have due dates. Discussions are not accepted late, and watching the lecture videos is not accepted late. So if you miss the due date, you'll get a 0. Lastly, you'll see the quiz here. And if you open this folder, and you'll see down here, it's going to be available from May 26th to the 27th. So when you come in here, there'll be some instructions that you can read. There's a video to show you how to take a quiz in Blackboard. And once May 26th hits, you'll see the quiz inside of this folder. So it won't appear until it's available. But what's important about quizzes is once you begin the quiz, it has to be completed. So you can't start it and come back. Okay. So again, once you begin it, it has to be completed. You can't start it and come back to it later. Take your quiz on a computer. Don't try and take it on a phone. Do not use the Blackboard app on your tablet or on your phone to take a quiz. Also, I don't recommend Internet Explorer for quizzes or for Blackboard in general. You should be able to use Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. Let's see. Do not hit the back button in your browser while taking the quiz. There are actual buttons within the quiz that allow you to move backwards and forwards between the quiz questions, so use those. And the quiz will be, 10 true, false, yes, no questions. It's going to be based on the course information documents over here and the information in the first module. And the day after the quiz closes, I'll post an announcement and just kind of say, the quiz grades range from this to this, and here was the average, and now you can go back in and review your quiz, and here's how to do it. And that's it for the first module. As always, if you have any questions, click on the send email link and send me an email.